Hello, this is Louis. Welcome back for the second part of this series on VM configuration in REVEN. This time, we're going to talk about VM Lightning. VM Lightning is a key step for recording scenarios with REVEN successfully. By default, Windows 10 runs a lot of tasks and services in the background, and I mean a lot. These result in a lot of noise in recorded scenarios, as well as a heavy degradation of performance while recording a scenario. VM Lightning is a step of a VM creation wizard that we started in the previous video, and it comes to help with this issue. You typically don't need to lighten Windows 7 VMs. Okay, with that out of the way, let's start the VM. This is the Windows 10 VM we imported previously, and this is actually the first time that we launch it from within the wizard. In the Lightning step, VMs run virtualized using KVM, meaning that it should have a decent speed. So let's wait a bit for it to boot. Alright, here we are. By the way, the password for this VM provided by Microsoft is going to be password with a capital P, a 0 and a bang. Once we reach the desktop, we'll want to insert the Lightning CD-ROM that we provide. By clicking this button, it will actually be made available to the VM. There it is. We provide two means of lightening the VM. You can either use a partial script to remove select components, or you can use anti-light to perform a more in-depth cleaning. If you use the partial script, make sure to read its description, because there are some steps to take before the script. The other means is by using our anti-light template. Anti-light is software designed to modify Windows installation, for instance to remove Windows services and components. For using anti-light with REVEN, you will need the paid version of anti-light. I installed and activated anti-light in the VM before making this video, but you will have to download the software from anti-light's website. This is our current Windows installation detected by anti-light. The first step is to load it in order for anti-light to detect which services and components are currently loaded. The preset tab should now be highlighted. Click Import and select our template in the CD-ROM. We will apply the changes of our template to this current installation. Anti-light lists all the changes it will have to perform on the installation to make it similar to the template. As the cleaning is pretty extensive in our preset, you should review the changes and check if they are compatible with your use cases. Once you're ready, click the big green button. But first, you should disable Windows Defender. Here we go. It's disabled. Okay, the process started. For some reason, it wants you to perform a disk cleanup. You may need to reboot several times during the process. So let's reboot. By the way, when rebooting Windows using ACPI, an ACPI reboot, you will need to shut down the VM with an ACPI shutdown and restart it manually. Otherwise, at least on my setup, the keyboard will not be recognized. So here. Alright, let's reboot. After rebooting, let's restart Unlight and let's perform the load operation again. Unlight saved our previous session, so it should only display the remaining changes. Click the green button again and disable Windows Defender again. Windows Defender is part of the things that will be removed by Unlight, so you shouldn't have to do this afterward. Okay, let's go. The process is taking some time. It's removing a lot of files. It opened the Explorer for some reason. We need another reboot. The final cleaning. Alright, everything's green, so we're good. We can now shut down the VM. And this is all for the lightening. So this is very simplified. You don't have to manually stop services or components. In the next video of this series, we will see the end of the VM creation wizard. So until then, thank you for watching.